Wilkie, longtime creative director of South by Southwest and a really great guy. And now there's Brent Wilkie Plaza on the trailhead right behind the stage. What a nice surprise to end the evening, eh? We couldn't do it without the support of our sponsors, Cirrus Logic, Hook, Tito's Vodka, Lupe, and K-View. And how about our bands? My Jerusalem, Mac Pecan, Charles Bradley, and Spoon! Tomorrow night it's Americana and Roots Rock and Roll with Ryan Bingham and friends, and Saturday night is South by America's Spectacular with Bomba Estéreo and Intocable y Más. So come back every night.